Welcome to our guide on membership sites. In this video, we'll explore what membership sites are and how they can benefit you. First, let's discuss how to select the right membership site platform. Look for key features like ease of use, customization options, and member engagement tools. Now, let's dive into setting up your membership site. Follow this step-by-step guide to get your site off the ground. Creating engaging content is crucial. We'll share best practices to keep your members coming back for more. Managing your membership levels and pricing structures effectively can maximize your revenue. Let's look at how to do that. Integrating payment processing is essential for your membership site. We'll go over the options you have and how to ensure security. To grow your community, effective promotion is necessary. We'll explore strategies that work for marketing your membership site. Engaging with your members can enhance their experience. Here are some tools and tips for building a vibrant community. Analyzing your site's performance is key to improvements. Let's look at which metrics to track and how to interpret the data. In conclusion, maintaining and growing your membership community requires ongoing effort. Let's discuss next steps for your success.